Wally's Spring Plumber owns an unusual shop. It's called Wally's Whatchamacallits and Yucky Mabobs. Wally can get you things you can't find anywhere else. Fluffy slippers for spiders to keep their feet warm in winter? Check.
The snail dogs love playtime. They blast themselves straight up into the air and then throw back down to the ground using their ears as parachutes. I wish we had parachutes for ears.
Pond floopers only eat one type of food. The poop of the flying pink turtle gull. To wash it down, pond floopers love to fill up on rainbow juice.
When rain falls on the wandering walper, it grows and grows until it reaches its full height of an actual house. If you're lucky enough to spot a wandering walper, you'll find a number of magical monster flowers in its garden.
Funny little monsters. Funny little monsters. They could be tall or small, furry or hairy. One thing